Today I want to show you this parcel. I ordered it from Indiegogo, the crowdfunding. This was my very first order from crowdfunding. I have never done before, but it took a little bit longer to get here. It has to be produced. I have ordered another crowdfunding item as well, and that one has arrived already. So this was the first crowdfunding item I bought. Okay, oh, even an adapter here. Windfall, very nice box. Let's open it. Ooh. Okay, so let's open it. It's a game console on Windows. Let's have a look what is in here. It's a wrist strap. That's USB-C cable. Okay, there's a power adapter. So I need this converter to convert it to Australian power adapter. A screen protector. It feels quite heavy. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, looks like it's booting. It's in Chinese at the moment. Oh. Okay, now I have to go through the setup. I think I'm not going to show you all this because I'm not familiar with those portable game console. Let me go through it and see how it goes.
若要使用屏幕阅读器设置设备，请按 Windows 加 Control 加 Enter 打开讲述人。若要查看更多辅助功能，请按 Windows 加 U 或选择右下角的辅助功能图标。
It's by default it's in Chinese, so it's talking in Chinese. Okay, now let me give you a closer look to the device. It's running Windows 11. And let me show you the top here. Here is a headphone jack, USB-A, USB-C, it's saying USB 4, and these are the volume button and power button, and the shoulder buttons here. And on the left hand side, micro USB slot, and here is a switch between gamepad and mouse. So let me switch it over to the mouse. It's a little bit hard to switch, then I can easily control. And this is the D-pad, and here's a fingerprint reader to sign in. And here are the analog joysticks. Here I'm not a gamer, so I'm not very familiar with all those things. And here's the leg button, and on this side is the start button. And here, this is the trackpad. This can be used as like a mouse. It works amazingly well. I didn't expect it. It's quite useful here. For right click, I have to hold it, and I can get the menu. But the only thing is I can't use the trackpad to do drag and drop. So that's the reason I have to switch it over to mouse mode. Then I can use the shoulder button here, hold it, and drag and drop. Also, there are two buttons at the back here. These are customizable, so I define one as a escape button just in case I can't get into any key. And the other thing is here is also a keyboard. It's lit, very nice. I quite like it. And here is also a USB-C. I've received this for a few weeks already, but I still haven't used it much. I have installed RetroArch here, and of course I have switched it to the gamepad to control it easily. Let me show you this is a PlayStation emulator. Let's run it. Let me show you how does it look like. Okay, just let me show you something. Oh yeah, just play a little bit. Okay, I'm not really a good gamer, so everything for me is quite new, even the very old stuff. What I want to show you also the Dolphin emulator. Somehow I couldn't get V emulator on RetroArch work properly, so I found the Dolphin emulator is much better. So let's try something. As you can see, it worked pretty well. As I said before, I defined the escape button from the back, so now if I want to terminate it, I just press the back button. Then I go out here so I can close it, stop it. So, meanwhile, I've received a case. I ordered this from AliExpress, and that was my record time. It took 8 days. There are many different types of this. I picked this one. I'm not too sure whether it's good yet. It's big enough. Okay. I was expecting here's the compartment for the charger as displayed on the website. I think for the device it's okay. But then I have to carry a different bag for the charger. It's not too bad. So this is my very first handheld console running Windows 11. I really love it, although I'm not a gamer. Especially the trackpad here for one finger control of the mouse pointer. It works surprisingly well. And I also like the hidden keyboard. I found it really useful. The only problem is the screen is just good enough for playing game. Whenever I want to set up something, I have to connect it to a big screen. I'm using a USB hub here. And this one has a connection to HDMI. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.